Okay guys, so Python list is nothing but an ordered sequence of items. It is represented, or its syntax is a is equals to square brackets, and whatever is written or to be stored in the list is separated by commas like 10, 20.5 and hello. Yeah, we can store different data types in one list. And if we print the address or index, what we call index is 10, index of 10 is 0, index of 20.5 is 1, and it is hello is 2. It is called indexing 0 1 2. Indexing always starts from 0. So in list uh, for in a list, 10 will be 0, 20.5 will be 2, sorry 1, and hello will be 2. So we print a an index number of 1. If you print index of 0, it will come 10. You can see that output is 10. You can try it yourself. And one thing I want to tell you, that lists are mutable. It means list can be edited or improved or edited. You should remember editing. Lists can be edited. And A1, like we'll show you example. A1 is equals to 30.7. Here A1 was 20.5. So 20.5 matlab, it means index of A1 was 20.5. You can see that. But here we uh, mutated it or edited it to 30.7. So now if we print A, the list is shown here. You can see the index of 1 is 30.7. It has been changed from 20.5. It has changed to 30.7. This proves that lists are mutable, can be edited. Okay, so tuples is other kind of ordered lists or ordered sequence, same as list, but they are not mutable. They cannot be edited, and it is represented by normal brackets. Lists were represented by square brackets. These are represented by normal brackets. And if you use print index of 1, indexing is same concept in both. If you print the first index, it's 1.5. Yeah, it is right, we can see the output. But if we try to edit it 1.5 2.5, it will show 1.25, sorry. So it will show type error. Tuples object does not exist. So you can see that is why it's not mutable. So that's why it's showing the error. Okay, so we'll learn that in next video. We are making these videos small so that it's easy to understand, and any questions are entertained in the comment section. Thank you.